Everyone wants success in life, but many people do not know how to achieve it. In today's story, we will learn that without two things, no matter how much you dream, you cannot be successful. So please watch the story till the end. There was a wise old man living in a small town. Every day he sat by the river and said only one thing: "You will get what you want. You will get what you want." People walking by thought he was crazy. No one listened to him. One day, like every day, the old man said, "You will get what you want." At that moment, a young man named David was walking down that path. When David heard the old man's words, he stopped. Then he walked up to the old man and asked, "Sir, do you really mean that we can get whatever we want? If yes, can you give me what I want?" The old man smiled and said, "Yes, my son, I can give it to you. But there is one condition. You have to believe my words and follow them. First, tell me, what do you want?" Without any delay, David said, "Sir, I want to be very rich. I want to be a big diamond and pearl trader." The old man was happy to hear David's interest. He said, "Of course, my son. Your wish will come true. I will give you diamonds and pearls, with which you can make many more diamonds and pearls." Then the old man put his hand on David's palm and said, "Son, I am giving you the most valuable diamond in the world. Its name is time. Hold it tightly and never lose it. From this time, you can make as many diamonds as you want." David thought for a moment. Then the old man placed his other hand on David's other palm and said, "Now take the second most valuable pearl in the world. Patience. When you try a lot but don't get results, use this pearl. Remember, whoever has patience can achieve anything in the world." David listened carefully to the old man's words. He understood that these two things, time and patience, are the greatest treasures in life. So he promised himself quietly that from that day he would never waste time and would keep patience in every situation. After that, David started working under a big diamond trader. He never wasted a moment, learned his work honestly, and through hard work and patience one day, he became one of the best diamond traders in the country. If we look at our own lives, we will see that we also have big dreams. But because of poor time management and lack of patience, those dreams do not come true. To reach any goal in life, time and patience are the two most important qualities. So remember, don't waste time and don't lose patience during hard times, because no one is stronger than time and no treasure is greater than patience. If we understand the value of time, use it properly, and stay patient, we can get whatever we want. So always remember, keep these two precious gems, time and patience, inside you. Only then will you get what you want. If you feel this story should reach more people, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay with us. I'll be back again with another inspiring story. Till then, be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward in